Everyone is sleeping. It's my secret snack time now. Wow, look at all this delicious food. I'm taking this cake, and the crisps, and the cookies, and a little ice cream. I'm eating all of them tonight. This is a perfect meal for a very hungry boy. What was that? Someone is eating in the kitchen. Tom, you shouldn't eat all of this now. Emma, keep quiet. Mom and Dad are sleeping. Mom always says no heavy food at night. You are going to regret this. I am eating all of this right now. Do you want to join me? No, thank you. Your tummy is going to hurt later, Tom. I'm ignoring you. I'm enjoying my food. My tummy is very full now. I'm feeling so sleepy. Perfect. Now I will sleep so well. Mom! Dad! Please come here! My tummy hurts! Mike! Tom needs us!
I heard him. Let's go.
Tom, my boy, what is happening to you? Mom, my tummy feels too full. It really hurts.
We are going to the hospital right now.
Try to stay calm, Tom. We will be there very soon. My tummy feels so tight and uncomfortable.
I can see the hospital. We are arriving now. Doctor, please help my boy. He is not feeling well.
I am Dr. Patel. Please bring him this way. Hello, Tom. I am going to check your tummy now. Can you tell me honestly? What did you eat tonight? I ate cake, crisps, ice cream, and cookies. I ate a lot of them. You didn't listen to me, Tom. Your tummy is hurting because you ate too much heavy food late at night. At night, your stomach works more slowly. Heavy food at night makes your tummy feel bloated and very uncomfortable. Snacks are okay sometimes, but don't eat too much and don't skip dinner. I'm sorry, Mom. I should have listened to you. This syrup will help your tummy feel better. Please drink it slowly. I feel much better now. Good job, Tom. Please take him home and let him rest. And remember, choose light food at night and always listen to your parents. I promise, Doctor. I will choose light food from now on. I am eating this cool yogurt. My tummy feels happy and comfortable now. And I am drinking fresh milk. It is good for my body too. Everyone remember, eat light food at night to stay healthy. Bye-bye.